So the first thing we're going to do is start designing the hooks for the blinds in Autodesk 360 Fusion. I've already created a sketch. The next thing I'm going to do is use the line tool to create a line. And I'm just going to keep creating lines until I generate an S shape for the hooks.
What do you see as you twist the tiles beneath our feet? What do you see?
Alright, so now that I've designed the print, what I need to do is transfer the STL file over to Ultimaker Kira so that I can create the G-code for my 3D printer to generate this object. So I have the white PLA filament. It says load filament. I don't know if this one will work right here. That'll work. I just gotta bend it into shape. It was that or cut it, which I think it'll be fine. And then I can start feeding it right here. And it's already attempting to load the PLA, and now it's pulling it in. And it's just going to keep pulling it, and then you can
that's cool.
See it?
Yeah.
Pushing it down. See the filament coming out now?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Now I can push stop till it stops right there, and I'll go back. Go back, and I'll do print from SD card. And we want to print the blinds. It's probably A4 blinds right here, A4 blinds hook. I'm pretty sure that's in PLA. Last I checked, we were set up for PLA when I was developing it in Kira. All right, so now it's going to prepare to print. Alright, so here's the hook that printed out right here. It's not that durable. I don't know how much weight it can hold. We'll test it out. These are the blinds, and I previously was using just string and glue on it, which was not very effective. You can see it's started to fall a little bit. So I'm trying to replace it with these hooks. And you can see I installed the one right here, and it seems to work just fine. Let's put one on the opposite side. So I ended up making another version that was a little bit more narrow and more durable, and that's the version I'm printing right now. and it ends up working out much better. All right, it's definitely much more durable than the previous one. I made it thicker, a little bit shorter across this distance here, and actually across both distances I made it a little bit more narrow here. So now we'll go test it out. Okay, so let's see how this works. Right here it's glued in with hot glue gun. I don't know if I want to test that point. I'm gonna have to, like right here. Anyways, I'm gonna have to break that off there with the glue. It fits rather snug, really snug, which is good. Snug is good. And then let's fit it on the other one. Just gotta get around that string and snug up this one here. Okay, it looks good. It looks like it's just really firm. It's not gonna like, see how if I can push it up a little bit, it's like really snug in there. I can make it a little tighter, but I think the distance is great. I really like that distance, so it just barely overlaps, and it's really close together. Let's see the distance between the blinds. You can see it right here. Not very far apart, which is good because that'll create more. That'll prevent light from getting in even more. I started rebuilding it from scratch, and then just taking off the previous hot glue gun material that was on there, and it's coming on pretty good. It's just the first part. I don't have anything designed for the first part yet, so I just used some paper clips to hold the first part in. All right, so I'll just take this off here, take this string out, no string, same here, take this out, take off the string right there. A little bit of damage from the hot glue gun when it came up, but that's okay because we're not gonna see that part when we put it up. We're gonna see this side, and it's fine. This side's fine. And then I got the little hooks here, so I'll just, these ones just came off the printer, and we could just go put it up with these hooks like this, and I'll hook it in like so. Prep that one nice and snug, and then I'll prep the other one just like that. So I got it prepped, and then I'll hook it in here just like that. And
You done with it now?
Let me just put this on.
And is that like all done?
Oh yeah, let me clip that on there. You can see all done here, all complete. Up there, that top piece there, I'm gonna trim it a little bit on the side. So there's that. It has a very slight bow to it, but I don't want to cut it too short. It's being held in by the distance. So it came out pretty good. Project complete.